What's up guys, this is Anna. You may have seen me before in our TikTok channel and this is my first YouTube video, so we shall see how this goes. Hello YouTube! Hope you enjoy my favorite compilation of videos I have put out for you for November 2022. Let's roll the clip. So our first category is human versus object, and before this even begins you need to choose sides, and I am rooting for toilet paper. Why? Because maybe it's part of an intelligent species of toilet papers and they overthrow our economy. Oh, right, they already did that in 2020. And the toilet paper tries to choke Rick and escape through the window. But Rick saves the day and saves us all from intelligent toilet paper. I swear I was rooting for you, Rick. First of all, everyone says hi card because it's my favorite character of this clip. The card! Imagine trying for reverse and pressing the pedal all the way and then end up getting drive. Well, this is what happens to this dude, to which we cut in the midlife crisis drama. And I seriously need a part 2 because what do you do after this? When you get home, do you go walk your dog or become a rock metal singer? We will never know. And there's a third character of the story. The lady takes the card, they become friends and save the world against toilet paper. Our second category is halfway Stacy's and halfway Sammy's. Roll the clip. So I like to call them halfway Stacy's because they use a space of 2 lanes and it's the most aggressive way of changing lanes. I guess in their heads kind of goes like, oh, I want to change lanes, would you kindly let me go? But how it really goes is like, let me pass or I will literally kill you. Spotted at halfway stop Sammy in the wild. Sammys are known for not turning properly, not going slower or faster than you, they just come at you. Coming up, we have left turns gone wrong. Can you guess which car is going to crash on this upcoming turn? Hopefully learning from this event and avoiding this altogether. Oh, and it was the Jeep. It was the one to crash. But the family is alright and safe. I wonder what the Tahoe turned first. Oh, now I know. Looks like Vincent and his girl are having a good time, maybe going to the mall, ice cream date, who knows. I'm excited for that. Then boom, this red car just shows up out of nowhere. PB and Jelly party! Everything looks fine, going on the highway, tall intimidating truck. And then PB and Jelly sandwich my guy. At least we know he's going on his way to work and there was no accidents involved. The gold car clearly doesn't know how to merge because we can see scratches on the right side from previous hits. The action continues with our driver changing lanes in front of the car as a way of perhaps slowing the driver down. Now another sandwich. So what happens when you get rear-ended and then hit the car in front of you? You get PB and J. Say it with me. You get PB and J, PBJ, PBJ party, PBJ party. The tail sniffers. Now I present to you a tail sniffer. These drivers just want to sniff your tail and be as close as they can to your rear. Like this guy. So to give you guys some context, this guy has been tailgating Salve for a while. Salve just stops at the middle of the road as we can see, and it looks like he starts to slow down his speed and wants to have a close heart-to-heart with our friend Salve. Let's check it out.
I was already moving and you keep on honking. Why? And then you cut me off.
I know, and I'm sorry. But accidents like that happen. If I hadn't hit you, I'd have been responsible.
Okay, but why are you honking? I'm already moving and then you're honking.
Why do you get upset about shit like that? It happens.
Yeah, it is.
Smart the fuck up.
You too.
Wow, that's the best comeback I've ever heard. Honestly. Our next category is cell phone Stubby. Oh my god, Brad, why haven't you texted me after soccer practice? I thought we were good. And just like that, Michael gets rear-ended by a female zombie found in the wild. Man, I really feel bad for Michael. There should be a division between zombies and humans on the road. Like, where do they even get their license? In IZBC? iPhone Zombies of British Columbia, guys. Come on, get it together. It's a real thing. You have to be vigilant because you never know when's gonna be the next attack. Boom! A vicious zombie Cadillac attack.
At least I got it on camera.
But hey, he has a dash cam, so we're all good. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, because only at BlackboxMyCar we will show you the first ever caught on dash cam real life zombie. He's like, I made you stop with my brain. Ha ha ha. Oh, where are you going? What brain, dude? Our last category is after school hours caught on dashcam. We can see a student falling from the most efficient way of transportation, a pogo stick, but still looks cool in front of the ladies, you know? Up next, we have a group of kids that think that this world is their playground, quite literally. Oh my god, put that stick down. That actually costs adult money. And where are your parents? Moving on to more cool bicycles, here we caught some naughty kids after school. And it seems like Santa won't be writing you on the nice list. Don't forget to submit your dashcam footage to us for a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. That's it for today. Thank you guys. I hope you like my commentary on the following videos and stay tuned for part 2 next month. See you later, YouTube! Follow us on TikTok if you want to see more clips like this.